When a bear charges, every second counts, and your gear decides the outcome. These 15 essential tools deliver unmatched safety, survival, and innovation in the wild. From advanced deterrence to emergency-ready kits, each one is built to keep you prepared when nature's fiercest predator crosses your path. Discover the ultimate bear attack survival tools every outdoor explorer needs. All mentioned products are in the description below. Number 15. Bear Spray. Developed by grizzly attack survivor Mark Matheny and crafted in Montana, this powerful bear spray is designed for maximum protection. It releases a dense, high-volume fog with a 30 to 35-foot range, using loud, hissing, and potent red pepper extract to startle and deter bears. A durable cloth holster keeps it secure and ready, providing dependable American-made defense in dangerous wilderness encounters. Number 14. Bear Bell. Stay safer on the trail with a solid brass bear bell producing 120 decibels jingles audible over 100 yards, proven to reduce bear encounters. A quick silence lanyard instantly mutes noise, no magnets required, ideal near campsites or sudden encounters. Weighing just 2.9 ounces, it clips securely with a military-grade carabiner. A built-in 120 decibels whistle reaches 1 mile, making it essential gear and a thoughtful gift for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 13. Survival Paracord. Essential for backcountry safety, this patented survival paracord is a versatile tool for bear country adventures. Strong enough to hang food out of a bear's reach, it also doubles for emergency shelter construction, gear repair, or securing equipment. Lightweight and compact, the cord's inner strands can be used for fire starting, fishing, or other survival needs, making it an indispensable, multi-purpose accessory for hikers, campers, and anyone navigating bear-prone wilderness. Number 12. Motion Sensor Alarm. Turn the wilderness into a safer place with a solar-powered motion alarm that blasts a 130 decibel siren and strobe light to deter bears or signal your team. Choose from 13 sounds or record your own for customized alerts. 3 modes, 24-hour, night, or timed, offer versatile protection, while dual solar and USB charging keep it powered. Supported by a 30-day return policy and 1-year warranty for dependable security. Number 11. Hard Cooler. Fortified for the harshest backcountry challenges, this heavy-duty hard cooler is certified bear-resistant to safeguard your food and gear. Its permafrost insulation and rotomolded construction keep ice intact for days, even in rugged terrain. With T-Rex lid latches, a tough hinge system, molded handles, and non-slip feet, it ensures secure transport, making it a vital piece of survival equipment for any bear-prone adventure. Number 10. Bear-proof food container. Crafted for extended wilderness treks, this bear-resistant container delivers 11.86 liters of storage, perfect for multi-day hikes. Its tapered design fits efficiently in 45-liter or larger backpacks, while the locking lid and airtight gasket keep food secure, fresh, and odor-free. An ergonomic build minimizes discomfort and weight shifting. A pressure release valve adds durability, and IGBC certification confirms compliance with U.S. Forest Service bear-resistant standards. Number 9. ASP Batten. When survival hinges on split-second action, these premium expandable batons deliver dependable bear defense in the wild. Crafted from heat-treated steel with rapid deployment, they provide secure reach and powerful impact. A textured, non-slip grip ensures control even in harsh weather, while their compact, collapsible design slips easily into a backpack, an indispensable safety companion for any serious wilderness adventurer. Number 8. Bear Bagging Kit. Protect your campsite and supplies with an ultralight bear bagging kit designed to keep wildlife at bay. Made from tough, weather-resistant material, it's built to suspend food safely out of reach. The kit includes a durable cord, rucksack, and carabiner for effortless hanging, while its compact design fits neatly in your backpack, perfect for hikers who need dependable, lightweight bear protection. Number 7. Trail camera. Turn remote bear country into a monitored safe zone with a trail camera offering nationwide 4G LTE coverage, no SIM swaps or extra plans required. Capture crisp 36-megapixel photos and 1080p HD video with audio, even in low light, using a 100-foot detection range and low-glow infrared flash. Controlled via app, it provides instant alerts, AI-driven insights, unlimited cloud storage, and US-based support for dependable wilderness security. Number 6. Trail markers. Stay safe and visible in bear country with a set of 24 reflective trail markers, perfect for marking trails, campsites, or safety points. Made from durable plastic and metal, they withstand harsh outdoor conditions. Measuring 4.13 by 0.51 inches, they're compact, lightweight, and easy to clip on gear or trees. Their reflective design ensures visibility in low light or nighttime, helping hikers navigate safely and avoid surprise wildlife encounters. Number 5. Electric fence. Keep your campsite secure with a lightweight, portable electric fence crafted in Montana from American materials. Weighing only 3.7 pounds, it's perfect for backpacking trips in bear country. Tested to deter all bear species, the kit comes with a storage bag, safety tips booklet, and instructional DVD, providing a reliable, convenient solution to protect your loved ones while enjoying the wilderness. Number 4. Air horn. Powerful sound meets smart design in this rechargeable bear deterrent horn, delivering a 120 decibel alarm with 4 volume levels and 3 tones, audible up to 0.5 miles. Its 1,200 milliamp-hour battery removes the need for disposable batteries. Compact, durable ABS construction clips easily to gear, and Starworld's 12-month warranty ensures dependable protection during outdoor adventures. Number 3. Rooftop tent. Engineered for ultimate wilderness protection, this hard-shell rooftop tent combines aircraft-grade aluminum durability with stainless steel rods and waterproof polyester fabric. A recessed marine pad, condensation pad, and 5-centimeter mattress ensure a dry, comfortable sleep. Equipped with a telescoping ladder, organizers, and LED strips, it keeps campers safe and elevated in bear country, offering reliable defense against wind, rain, snow, and sun during backcountry adventures. Number 2. Fixed blade knife. Built for rugged wilderness survival, this full-tang fixed blade knife features a durable carbon steel blade ideal for bear country emergencies. Its ergonomic handle provides a secure grip in wet or stressful conditions, while the tough construction handles chopping, cutting, and defensive tasks. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's perfect for backpackers, hikers, and campers who need a reliable, versatile tool for outdoor survival and unexpected wildlife encounters. Number 1. Ultimate hatchet. Perfect for wilderness survival, this multi-use hatchet combines a sharp, durable blade with an optimized balance for chopping, splitting kindling, and emergency defense in bear country. Equipped with a rope/cable cutter, hammer-ended handle, and multi-size hex wrench, it handles a variety of outdoor tasks. Lightweight and dependable, it comes with a protective sheath, making it an essential tool for campers, hikers, and anyone navigating bear-prone backcountry areas. Staying safe in bear country isn't just about luck, it's about being prepared. With these 15 essential survival tools, you're ready to face the wild with confidence. From deterrence to defense, every gadget gives you an edge when it matters most. Pack smart, stay alert, and turn every adventure into a safe, unforgettable experience in the wilderness.